Hello and thanks for tuning in. This is a video response to a couple of questions that I had about this Yale Wafer padlock I picked a while back. Two questions. It was that can it be shimmed or can it be bypassed? Well, shimming, I tried shimming the core and didn't manage to do that, even though you can slide a shim, this little metal shim, you can slide it down all the way, but that doesn't work. Let's shine a little light down here to see the paw. That paw is sitting on top of the plug, so when the plug turns, this paw will actually screw in from this left or from the front of the lock. Screw like that. I guess I can do a little picking on it again. Let's try the single pin pick. There we go. So let's see. Get the light nicely down here. There we go. You can see paw is coming in from the left. So you can't put a knife tool in and just yank the paw aside. That's not possible. But it is spring-loaded, so I guess if you, let's do a little more picking and I'll show you, attempt to shim it around the shackle. I don't have anything tight enough, as you can see. It's not much. Let's get a little more light. It's not much room. So I don't have anything thin and strong enough, but it is spring-loaded. So I guess if you have something thin enough that it may slide down there. Let's look it up. It is shimmable. But again, it's very easy to pick, and using time to shim it, I don't actually see the point of it. You can just, I single pin picked it, but you can just use the back of your pick tool, put it in, give it a little yank, he says, in, no, but so it's not that difficult. So I think it's much faster just to use a pick tool, get it in, a little tension, just jiggle the wafers. So I think it is shimmable from around the shackle, but I don't have anything thin enough to make it a good attempt. It's not possible to use a knife tool, just yank the paw aside and not shim the core. It's not possible, as far as I can tell anyway. So hope you got a couple of answers, and thanks for watching.